Hey everyone, my name is Carlton Herbert, and this is my personal introduction video for ARC 501. I looked through the questions, and the first two can pretty much be combined into one. I had the opportunity to remodel a home that I live in now with my family, and that was both an experience that was catalytic in my development as a architect and designer, and then also it's good description of a place. The home that I remodeled and redesigned is in a small town, about 2,000 people or so, with no stoplight in rural Wyoming. So pretty small environment, full of wildlife, agriculture, mountains. The home itself is a two-story um, white farmhouse kind of style building. It's got a old stone foundation that I repaired, and the footprint is kind of just basic rectangle. And it's got just the two stories, main and then second story. And the finished remodel has four bedrooms and three bathrooms, and I'd say roughly 2,500 square feet or so. And it has a small kind of one-story addition on the back as well. It was a major fixer-upper, major project. We just had to strip everything down to the studs. The wood used in the project was interesting. It was built around 1905. So the studs that make up the wall structure are not the same size as modern lumber. Same with the walls. They were sheeted with kind of old world shiplap boards that were varying sizes, laid in like a diagonal pattern on the wall. We used some of those to make a shiplap wall in the interior. You kind of seen some of those pictures. Trying to reuse and redesign things where we could. As you can see from these pictures, we opened things up a little bit and relocated stairs, gave it a little more room, added some bathrooms where there was a 3/4 bath was all they had in kind of a closet. So we relocated those and redesigned it a little bit to make it work for our needs. As far as a brief overview of my educational, creative, or professional pursuits, right now I am working at a custom steel shop, doing project management, steel design, and drafting stuff for them. So here's some projects I've worked on. Do anything from custom fireplaces, stairs, rails, accents, anywhere up to kind of the larger structural projects. Yeah, I'm in charge of basically working out all the details between contractors, architects, engineers, and putting drawings together for the steel shop so we can actually build it and install these pieces. So um, as far as educational background, I got a bachelor's of science in manufacturing engineering back in 2019 from Brigham Young University, and then obviously now I'm starting into my second year of the 3-year program for the Master of Architecture in ACU. And then as far as some objects or images of an inspirational architectural pursuit, I had the opportunity to go visit they call it the Copper King Mansion or the Clark Mansion in Butte, Montana. And this was one of the first places I visited that the architecture really stood out to me, really struck me. You can see some of these images here, the detail that went into this, the craftsmanship. It was actually built and put together by a bunch of basically European artists and master craftsmen who the owner flew over to build everything for him. The everything is hand stuccoed, hand painted, hand everything. As far as the finishes on the house, you can see there's a good image of some of that plaster work on the walls, all the patterns they put in there, all all by hand there, stained glass, and then another view there, and that just I guess it left me with a reverence of some of the craftsmanship and the skill it really takes to design something uh, that does inspire awe. As far as personal aspirations for the course, I just want to create quality designs, stretch my capabilities, try out new things in software, and figure more things out there, and then just finish the semester with designs that I'm proud of. Um, and then, as far as the last question of what home means to me, it's I got a wife, 2 little kids, so it's wherever they are. and then just somewhere where we can make a house into a home, somewhere with some room to live and enjoy life. So thanks for taking a look, and looking forward to time in this class for this semester. Thanks.